One idea, one design, one online store. Starting a print-on-demand business has never been easier, and 2025 is the perfect time to start. It sounds like a dream, right? Stick with us till the end, because at the end, you will know how to start your print-on-demand business step by step, from setting up your store to promoting your designs. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest tips on making money online. Let's start from finding your niche. The first step to success. What's the secret sauce to a successful POD business? It's the niche. You might be asking, why do I need a niche? Well, without a niche, your store could easily get lost in the sea of online products. Having a focused niche allows you to target a specific audience, making it easier to market and stand out. Think about your interests or passions. What are you genuinely excited about? Are you into fitness, gaming, vintage fashion, or pet products? Picking a niche that resonates with you will make the whole process more enjoyable and authentic. Plus, when you speak directly to a specific group, your marketing becomes more effective. Start by researching trending topics and checking out what's popular in online communities like Reddit, Instagram, and Pinterest. Also, use tools like Google Trends to find out what people are searching for. Your niche doesn't need to be broad. It just needs to appeal to a dedicated group of customers. Choosing the right products for your store. So, you found your niche. What's next? It's time to choose what products you'll sell. The beauty of a POD business is that you don't need to worry about inventory or upfront costs. You simply upload your designs, and when a customer orders, the print-on-demand provider handles the rest. Start by thinking about the types of products your target audience will love. If your niche is fitness enthusiasts, think about selling custom workout gear, water bottles, or gym bags. If you're targeting pet lovers, custom dog bandanas or pet beds could be a hit. Your options are endless. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies, tote bags, and so much more. Remember, the key to selecting the right products is aligning them with your niche. When your products feel personal and relevant, they will attract more buyers. Creating designs that sell. Now comes the fun part, designing your products. You might be asking, I'm not a designer. How do I create great designs? Don't worry. You don't need to be a professional graphic artist to create appealing designs for your POD store. There are plenty of easy-to-use design tools that can help you make stunning graphics. Platforms like Canva, Adobe Spark, and even Printify's design tool can help you get started. These tools are beginner-friendly and offer templates that you can customize. If design isn't your strength, consider hiring a freelancer from websites like Fiverr or Upwork. There are thousands of designers who can create custom designs for as little as $10. Make sure your designs are unique and aligned with your niche. The more original your designs, the more likely customers are to buy from you. Don't forget to add your personal touch to each design. It will set you apart from competitors. Setting up your online store. All right, you've chosen your niche, products, and designs. Now it's time to bring everything together and create your online store. The good news is that setting up an online store for your POD business is easier than ever. There are several platforms available that make it easy to create and manage your store, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. If you're looking for an even simpler option, you can sell on marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. Though keep in mind that these platforms charge fees and have rules about product listings. If you're using a platform like Shopify, you can integrate it with your print-on-demand provider, like Printify or Printful, to automate the order fulfillment process. This means that once a customer places an order, it will automatically be sent to your POD provider for printing and shipping, leaving you with more time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Design your store to be visually appealing, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. High-quality product images, compelling descriptions, and a simple checkout process are key to converting visitors into customers. Partnering with a reliable print-on-demand provider. Choosing the right print-on-demand provider is crucial to your business's success. You want a provider that offers high-quality products, fast shipping, and reliable customer service. There are several popular POD providers such as Printful, Printify, and Guten, each with its own set of features and products. When selecting a POD provider, make sure to consider factors like product quality, shipping speeds, and integration options with your e-commerce platform. Some providers may also offer discounted rates for bulk orders, which can help you increase your profit margins in the long run. It's also a good idea to order samples from your chosen POD provider before launching your store. This gives you a chance to check the print quality, fabric, and packaging firsthand. Quality products are key to keeping your customers happy and building a successful business. Pricing your products for profit. So how much should you charge for your products? Pricing is one of the most important aspects of running a POD business, and getting it right is essential for your profitability. Start by considering the production cost of each item. Your print-on-demand provider will usually give you the price of producing each product, which will include the cost of printing and shipping. From there, you need to mark up the price to make a profit. A common strategy is to mark up your products by 50 to 100%. For example, if it costs you $15 to produce a t-shirt, you might price it at $30, $35 to cover costs and generate a healthy profit. While pricing too low might lead to more sales, it could also cut into your margins. On the other hand, pricing too high could scare potential customers away. It's important to find that sweet spot. Always keep an eye on competitor pricing and ensure that your prices reflect the value you're offering. Marketing your print-on-demand business. Once your store is set up and ready to go, it's time to drive traffic and make sales. Marketing is key to attracting customers, and there are many ways you can promote your print-on-demand products. Start by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. These platforms are visual-heavy and perfect for showcasing your designs. Create eye-catching posts, engage with your followers, and use relevant hashtags to get discovered. In addition to social media marketing, consider using email marketing to nurture relationships with potential customers. You can offer discounts or exclusive designs to encourage people to join your email list. And if you want to reach a larger audience, paid advertising through Facebook ads or Google ads can give you an edge. SEO, search engine optimization, is another crucial marketing strategy. By optimizing your website and product listings for relevant keywords, you can rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. Managing customer relationships. Great customer service can be the difference between a one-time buyer and a repeat customer. Provide exceptional service by responding to inquiries promptly, offering easy returns or exchanges, and ensuring that your products are delivered on time. Create a positive customer experience, and they'll not only return, but may also recommend your store to others. Don't be afraid to ask for reviews or testimonials after a successful purchase, as positive feedback can boost your credibility and attract new customers. Scaling your print-on-demand business. Once you start making sales, it's time to scale your business. Scaling involves growing your product range, increasing marketing efforts, and optimizing your operations. You can add new products to your store, experiment with different designs, and even expand to different markets. If you're ready, you might consider outsourcing certain tasks, like customer service or social media management, to free up your time for more important business decisions. Consider automating your marketing processes, such as using email marketing campaigns and social media scheduling tools. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on growing your business even further. Remember that building a business takes time, patience, and hard work. Keep learning, adapting, and evolving, and you'll increase your chances of success. So, what do you think? Could you imagine launching your own print-on-demand store and making money while you sleep? Starting a POD business in 2025 offers endless possibilities for job seekers and entrepreneurs alike. Which part of this journey are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to watch more helpful videos.